Before this video begins, I'd like to say apologies for me being shirtless throughout almost the entire video. Now enjoy. We are at Sovereign. Oh, that's not even the Sovereign sign. Yeah, but we're at Sovereign still in Kingston, man. Andrea go and chill. Basically waiting on today's model, who is Lauren. You see me? Big up she every time. So she should be here in a few minutes. There is a supermodel.
So when it must have answered some IG question.
Oh. May I film you? I feel to be a supermodel.
It's an amazing experience being young and hot.
People, this is my friend Lauren, aka the Equator, you see me? Right about. The car get hot when she fold in. Alright, so we're about to go to the locate. We have anything else doing before we go straight there?
Let's go straight.
It's gonna be really amazing. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys when I get there. And just in this beautiful white cream dress, we're gonna get some shots down by the lower part of the river. White dress we're gonna use right here. I'm probably gonna get some shots on this lens, which is a kit lens, because I want something kind of wide, so I'm gonna use a kit lens for that. And we might get some of these rocks that we're on. So there's the next one over here, the boy Andrew over there also. So we might get like one with her standing between the rocks. Boy, to take one with him tonight, give him a feature. Call him man. Oh, no, him. Go on, call him man. Call him. I'll tell you when to twirl. Alright, go ahead. Andrew, let me move a piece of studio for me. This one on my right, actually. Yeah, keep that, my right, that. Alright, we can come over and hold this one. Oh, plug it. Go back a bit, Andrew, so we can get the picture again. Alright, good. Learning curve. It's them bush here, just the idea. You want to take one, you want them like in line with the spine, so that I shot from there and I position perfectly horizontal with it now. Come again? Marco, there's a... Yeah, come on, you two.
Right, lean back.
Right, sit to one side a bit more. Yeah, to this side. I want your body leaning to this side. And, right. Right, keep it toe and bring the dress up, so... Right. Oh no, like over there look really sick. I'm probably gonna get some shots over there. Doesn't matter. Yeah, waterfall, everything. Still. All the way up. No, I'm just stop right there at them. Right. Right. Nice. You can cut in the last. I prefer the one. And like just cross your legs. Nice. I can turn with your legs, not up there. Just yeah, facing with the entire body. Right, this I don't look sick. This is the one that extends out. When it extends, I want you to bring it back closer so I can see it out. So when it extends out,
Like this?
Yeah, like right there. Alright. Alright, nice.
Is that you?
Yeah. We can get that just here wet now, then just switch to the next one.
What?
So, can't put it up. So guys, I just saw that random chair in the middle of the river, and the idea that came to mind is to actually have Lauren standing on the chair, and it will like, it's gonna seem like she's actually walking on water when I actually edit the photo. So that's the look I'm going for. Hopefully I can get this shot. So we're about to go and actually execute that right now.